I'm Mia. Today let's chat about the ins and outs of our caliber welding. So let's dive into the 5 key advantages of our caliber welding. First, let's check out our equipment. We utilize Panasonic full digital welding machines, which provide high stability in both current and voltage, ensuring consistent and reliable weld quality. Next, let's look at our welding well. Our welding process incorporates imported ESAB high-strength welding well, making weld seams stronger with reduced shrinkage and improved appearance. Now, let's take a look at welding process. In areas such as the terminal joint, torque transmission section, and the pressure pipe, we employ multi-pass welding process. This effectively reduces residual stresses and minimizes micro cracks in the heat-affected zone. We follow rigorous preheating and post-welding warming procedures when welding steel pipes and tailor studs, ensuring secure connections and perfect alignment for enhanced stability during construction. Finally, let's talk about our quality control. All critical weld seams undergo DPT plus UT, ensuring that each one meets our high standards before delivery. At Drillmaster, we strive perfection in every step, all to deliver more reliable and durable products to you.